Hi everyone, welcome back once again in my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video, I'm going to explain one simple or basic important concept that should be known by everyone. So guys, this is the question is what is the difference between double equal operator and equals method in arrays? Guys? Double equal operator and equals method in terms of arrays here. So I will show this difference with very simple example in our ITK. Then you should not have any confusion if you don't know. If you know, don't worry guys, it's well and good. If you don't know, or the guys who don't know what is the exact difference between double equal operator and equals method in terms of arrays guys. So I see I'm writing one simple program guy by which you can understood what is the exact difference guy. Okay. Again, I need to create one guy class. Create guy. So see so difference or the check difference equal operator and equals method. Okay. Check difference equal operator and equals method. Okay, this is I'm writing understanding purpose. We no need to write such type of method here, but I'm writing why because you can understand what is the exact what the code we are going to write here. Check difference equal operator and equals method here. Class has created right with along with our main method. Right? Simple example I will take. Because most of the guys they don't know exact difference between equal operator and equals method, right? So guys, see definitely one thing you need to know first. What we need to know, guys. So guys, what we know very well, right? So when we think compare, right? When we think compare to anything, right? So first we should have two objects, right? If you are going to compare anything, we should have two objects because in single object we can't compare. If I will tell you compare yourself, then definitely you will tell me Amit to whom I need to compare because alone, right? We can't compare. Definitely we should have two people, right? Then we can compare. Same guy in this program also. If you want to compare, right, two objects means guy you should have two array object because this the thing I am going to explain in terms of array guy, right? So guys that's why I will create first two array guy. Okay, two array object guy. So guys int arr1, right? Right, guy. Then guy, what is this? Yes. So guys, then I will create guy. Suppose 10, comma 20, comma 30, comma 40, comma 50. Right guy? Sorry. This thing I need to put inside this curly braces. Right? Right guy? So guy, one array we have created. Right? Initialize as well. Right guy? Yes. Right guy? Yes guy. So guys, same I will create what one more array guy, right? So that array will be array 2, right? But this time guy I am keeping same value. Okay, I will show the difference. That's why guy I am keeping here same value. Okay, don't worry. So after writing this guy I will add simple logic to check with equal operator and equals method, right? So guys see I am given condition guys. If our ARR1, right, because array 1 associated with this value, this data, right? So guys, double equal to ARR2 guys. If AR equal to AR2 guys, then tell me guys, I am going to print some statement, right? What statement guys I am going to print? So if ARR1 equal to ARR2, okay, then I am going to print here what? Both are equal. Means guys, both arrays, both both arrays equal. Okay. Okay. Simple statement guys I am writing. Guys, one more statement I am going to write in else case guys. Suppose this will not equal guys. Then what will happen guys? So guys, same statement I am going to write. Okay, same statement I am going to write, but I am going to write here not equal, right? So guys, both arrays not equal. Right guys, not equal. So guys, see, then I will run the application. We'll see result. What result is coming guys? It expected or not? Guys, can you guess guys? What should be the statement need to print guys? What should be the statement need to print? If a statement or else statement? Most of the guy might be understood what this if statement will execute, right? Because we can see here everything are same guy, right? Yes or no? Because whatever the value we have, this array both are same guy, but for information it will absolutely wrong guy, it will absolutely wrong. This will print this thing guy. I will show you. This will print this thing. Why guys? I will tell you once we will run the application, once response will come, once the output will come guys. Guys, you can see both arrays not equal. Surprised? You should not get. You should not surprise guys, because this is the concept. This is the concept guys. You should not surprise. Why? Because guys, let's understand what the thing is going to happen after running this if condition guys. So guys, you know one thing. So when we are writing equal operator, if we are going to compare with the help of double equal operator in terms of arrays guys, okay, so it will check the reference variable guys. This is a reference variable array 1 or array 2, right, which can hold our, right, this data, right? So array 1 holds this data, array 2 holds this data. So guys, this is the reference variable. So guys, it will check reference variable is equal or not. It will not check the content. Okay, it will not check the content. Double equal operator, right? It will not check the content, right? It will check the reference variable. If reference variable is not right, not equal, right? If reference variable is not equal, right? This is array 1, this is array 2. That's why it is coming inside our else part. I hope you understood, right? I hope you understood, guys. So what I have told, guys. So double equal operator, but it will check with the reference variable, guys. So if reference variable equal, it is not equal, guys, right? Both are different. This is array 1, this is array 2. That's why its printing result is what? Both array are is not equal. I hope you understood, guys. Now, guys, I will copy same code, right? Paste here, and in that guy I will add one statement. This thing I can write this place. Checking double equal operator. operator not method guy, you can remove this thing and get this place checking guy but guy, understand here, okay? Because you will understand clearly, right? That's why I'm going to add this thing. Okay, so let's see, our main motto is, this is the our equal operator we are checking here. Okay, this place I will check what equals method guy. So guys, remove this thing. So guys, you know one thing, so guys, our equals method is available in our guy arrays class guy. Equals method is a static method guy. What guy? Equals method is a static method. So guy, we can call guy arrays dot guy equals, you can see equals method guy, yes or no, equals method guy. Then we can pass our two input guy, this is array 1, right? Expect get two input, so array 1 and guy this one guy arrays 2, right guy? So if you're going to call this equals method guy, this is a utility method, right? This is a utility method guy, or also guy this is a static method which is available inside our arrays class guy. So guys, see, when I'm going to call this equals method guy, then what the response is coming guy, we can see what response coming guy, we can see, right guy? So guys, we are ready to run the application, right guys? See guys, see, checking double equal operator, both arrays not equal, you can already have seen guy. Guys, checking equals method, both arrays equal. So guys, what we understood from this implementation guy, from this logic guy. So guys, equals method check the content, it is not checking the reference variable guy, yes or no? Equals method is not checking the reference variable, it's checking the content. If both the content is equal, directly going to print both arrays equal. But equal operator checking guy reference variable. See, even data is same guy, even data is same in both the array 1 array 2, but it is printing both arrays not equal guy, yes or no guy? So it is checking the reference variable, it's checking the our content. So guy, that is the our main what concept behind that implementation guy, okay? This is our main implementation, main concept behind it. So how we are going to check double equal operator and equals method guy, okay? So guys, I hope you understood. This is very simple and very conceptual what guy, logic, yes or no? Conceptual concept guy. So definitely guy, we should know this concept, okay? So guys, that's it from this video guy. If you like my video guy, please like, share, subscribe, yes or no guy, and share among your friends, and you guys click the notification button. So whenever I will upload any video guy, you will get notified, okay? Thank you, bye bye, we'll meet very soon in next video guy.